All right, guys, we got us a 2015 BMW 650i xDrive. If you don't know, now you know. This car is fast and beautiful. Anyways, got the converter shoved up there somewhere on each side, beside the motor or whatever. Then it's got a factory H-pipe right there. Then we took the resonator, was a dual in, dual out resonator, and put two vibrant bottle mufflers, part number 1792, the 2.5 inch inlet and outlet. Okay, make sure you guys get 2.5 inch inlet and outlet if you guys want this sound. Then 3-inch pipe continues, and then we added 2.5 inch there and there into some quad tips, blue flame or titanium. Came out really beautiful, as you guys can see there and right there. There's the resonator we cut off. There's the two mufflers with the valves we cut off. We let this thing breathe, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. So new word of the day: exhaust liposuction. That's what we just did. He's about to start this beast, and let us hear it. Your sound decibels? Right at 107. Probably even louder than that. Again? Man, that sounds sick. Rev it like that, like hard, and then take your foot off. Let's see if it barbles. Almost. You see that? Again? Almost say when you leave, probably when he's dead. Perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. Go ahead. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. .650i xDrive. Vibrant mids, rear delete, quad tips. Ooh, baby, that's sexy. Yeah, perfect.